What is up, everybody? Let's get you guys caught up on what's been going on. You just heard the door lock because it doesn't actually understand that it's open, which might just be the perfect segue into what's going on today. I am going to be replacing the driver's side door lock control module, but unlike most videos, I won't be doing a full DIY, and that's because there's actually a really good one already out there specifically for Mk4s. Deutsch Auto Parts actually makes it, so I will link that in the description below if you really need like a DIY on how to replace your door lock control module. Otherwise, I'm just going to be doing it here and then like catching you guys up on what's been happening in the meantime. I meant to put a video out last week. I actually had really good intentions. I had to replace the large cooling fan on the R32, and there isn't really a video out there for that, and so I was making this artsy sort of experimental way of doing a DIY with the 55mm lens instead of the 35, and I had super good intentions, and then I kind of got lost and just started working and forgot to move the camera around and get some interesting shots. So maybe I'll do like a little small clip. I'll put that in right here, and then we'll continue on so you can see that I'm not lying. Okay, so there's your proof. That was me trying to do a better job at getting videos out. I really liked that method, and I know a lot of people will benefit from it, from taking the fan out of the bottom, but maybe I'll replace my small cooling fan in the future, and I will do the same. I'll do the same procedure. Essentially, my AC is not working, but apparently I had two issues going on at the same time. My fans weren't working, and so I thought that was what was killing my AC, which is a distinct possibility. But then I replaced a large cooling fan in the fan control module. Now all my fans are working, but I still have no AC, so now it's something in the AC system, like the pressure switch or the compressor clutch. But anyways, this is just a video of me catching up. I'm kind of preparing for a car show tomorrow, Utterly Euro. I'll be there, but it's not like it matters because by the time you see this video, the show will have been like 2 weeks ago maybe by this point. But not much has been happening. Had like an internship over the summer that I worked at, and so I really focused on that. Then me and the wife went on a honeymoon, and we went to visit family in Florida. And now I'm back in summer school, preparing for my senior year. And yeah, I don't know, life just kind of got busy. I haven't been out to Brian's place in a while, and filming by yourself is really not as fun as if it was if you were sharing it with another person. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start changing the door lock control module. I also have one of these silver trim pieces for the mirror switch. I don't know who we got this from. It's not like OEM, well, maybe it is. It's got a VW Audi logo on the back. I figure why not, because I gotta take this whole panel off anyways. All right, so let's get started. Finally got myself a trim tool kit. They sell these at Harbor Freight, by the way. And regardless of how you feel about Harbor Freight tools, a piece of plastic will probably do just fine. Okay, disclaimer. In the Deutsch Auto Parts video, they're telling you to be very cautious because if you loosen this screw too much, that this whole thing can come apart and then you have to replace it because it's spring-loaded or something. I had to loosen it a lot, and it was pretty much freaking me out the entire time. But eventually I got it to come out. I just was a little freaked out by the method. So the video says not to loosen it too much, but I take that to being just like take your time, do a little bit at a time, wiggle it out. But I had to loosen it like a lot before I got my lock assembly to come out. That. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's open it up. Look at that. Now it knows that the door is open. Oh, that's fantastic. That has literally been broken since I've owned the vehicle. So that's gonna be it. So thank you, Deutsch Auto Parts, for making such a baller video. I literally just followed it step by step. It was super easy. So again, that's in the link below. I didn't feel like making a DIY when they did a better job than I could have. So sorry for being, you know, not around very much. But I really do want to get more into doing these videos. Just, you know, I got to buy stuff. I got to get maintenance parts. Like, you know, I'm sure all you guys know there's a lot of crap that goes into it. But until next time, I'll see you guys around.